But first, 5 years ago, NASA launched its first sample return mission, Osiris-Rex. If you remember, we talked a little bit about it last year, to an asteroid. How cool is that? Now it's time for the mission to start its return back to Earth. To tell us more about this exciting endeavor, NASA project scientist Jason Dworkin joins us live. Jason, good morning to you. And Osiris-Rex will depart from Bennu this afternoon at 3:23 San Antonio time. So what needs to happen for the sample return capsule to have a flawless landing back on Earth?
So pretty much stay the course. It's been a flawless mission so far. So our crack team of navigators will initiate the burn this afternoon to accelerate the spacecraft by 600 miles per hour, head on a course towards Earth. That takes a long time to go around the sun, 2.5 times. And then 4 hours away from Earth, the sample return capsule will be jettisoned. Spacecraft will divert away from Earth. And the sample return capsule with a bounty of sample to analyze will land in the Utah Test and Training Range.
And that's in 2023, is that correct?
Yes, September 24th, 2023. Mark your calendars.
Yeah, wow. Let's backtrack a little bit. Can you explain briefly why NASA sent a mission to an asteroid?
So asteroids are the remnants of the early solar system. They're pieces that, when melted, turn into planets, turn into the stuff of life. And so by going to this ancient piece of leftovers of the solar system, we can study on the best laboratories on Earth, laboratories and scientists who haven't even been born yet can look at the samples in decades and to interrogate it at great detail to understand the types of chemistry and geology and physics that went into making the solar system.
Interesting. And Osiris-Rex collected a bounty of asteroid samples there. So what is NASA going to do with it?
So yes, the sample container was literally overflowing with material, which is fantastic news. So 25% of the sample goes back to the Osiris-Rex scientists who've been working for over a decade to answer our 50-some hypotheses about asteroids, about the solar system. But 75% is archived for the future. So again, scientists, maybe your viewers, children or grandchildren, those not yet born can come up with new techniques, new ideas to ask questions we haven't thought of yet in these samples.
It's just an incredible mission here. And what are you most excited about when it brings back these samples? What are you guys most excited to learn? So
for me personally, I'm interested in the chemistry of life, looking at things like amino acids and their handedness, their left and right-handed aspects of their structures, and how that relates to perhaps the origin of biology on Earth or maybe even Mars. But I've been waiting since my daughter was in diapers, and now she's graduating from high school. And so it's been a long time. I'm really excited.
Wow. Okay, one last question here. How can viewers watch Osiris-Rex's departure from Bennu?
So as you said, at 3 o'clock Central Time today at nasa.gov/live, you can watch the events, and you can also post questions at on Instagram at to Bennu and back as the hashtag.
Perfect.
And of course, yeah, great.
Go ahead. Oh, thank you. And that was NASA project scientist Jason Dworkin. We really appreciate your time this morning and all this information. Great stuff. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.